Two masses, small m and capital M, are attached with strings as shown. For the system to be in equilibrium, we have. Let us name this point as capital A, this point as capital B, and this point as capital C. Let us suppose the tension in the string between A and B as T1 and tension in the string between point B and capital M mass as T2 and tension in the string between the point C and capital M as T3 and tension in the string between the point B and the mass small m as T. As the system is in equilibrium, we can write small mg equals to tension. Let this be first equation. Now let us apply Lami's theorem at point B. T1 upon sin 135 degrees equals to T2 upon sin 135 degrees is equal to T upon sin 90 degrees. Simplifying this, we get T1 equals to T2 equals to T upon root 2. Let this be the second equation. Now let us draw free body diagram on capital M. Let us suppose that this is the horizontal line. Now the weight of capital M acts vertically downwards. Tension T3 acts in such a direction that it subtends theta angle with the horizontal. And tension T2 acts in such a direction that it subtends 45 degrees angle with the horizontal. Now T3 gets resolved into two components as T3 sin theta in vertically upward direction and T3 cos theta in horizontal direction. T2 also gets resolved into two components as T2 upon root 2 in vertically downward direction and T2 upon root 2 in horizontal direction. Now from this FBD, we can write T3 sin theta equal to capital Mg plus T2 upon root 2. Let this be third equation. And T3 cos theta equal to as T2 upon root 2. Let this be fourth equation. Now dividing 3 by 4, we get tan theta equal to as root 2 capital Mg upon T2 plus 1. Now from 1 and 2 equations, we can write T2 equal to as mg upon root 2. Now substituting the value of T2 in this equation, we can write tan theta equal to as 2 capital M upon small m plus 1. Therefore, the correct option is 1.